The structure of a water molecule is shown in figure 9-E1. Find the distance of center of mass of the molecule from center of oxygen atom. Mass of oxygen atom M1 is 16 atomic mass unit. Mass of this M2 is 1 mass unit and M3 is 1 atomic mass unit. Suppose इसके ये x axis and this is y axis. O is at origin. This is x axis and this is y axis. This angle will be 52 degree and this is also 52 degree. इसको अगर हम डिस्टेंस d एज्यूम कर लें तो दिस इज आल्सो d. m के जो कोऑर्डिनेट हैं m1 के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं x1 y1 दैट इज 0 0. m2 के कोऑर्डिनेट हैं x2 y2 and that will be minus d sin 52 and minus d cos 52. m3 के कोऑर्डिनेट होंगे x3 y3 d sin 52 and minus d cos 52 degree. The coordinate of center of mass xy m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3 और y कोऑर्डिनेट होगा m1 y1 m2 y2 plus m3 y3 by m1 plus m2 plus m3. m1 is 16 atomic mass unit, x is 0, m2 is 1 or x2 is minus d sin 52 plus m3 is 1 and this is x3 is d sin 52 degree upon 16 plus 1 plus 1. y1 is 0 plus 1 and this is y2 is cos 52 degree plus 1 minus d cos 52 degree upon 16 plus 1 plus 1. Zero minus d sin 52 plus d sin 52 degree by 18 x coordinate and y coordinate is 0 minus d cos 52 degree minus d cos 52 degree. this is cos 52, d cos 52 upon 18. 0 minus 2d cos 52 degree upon 18, 0 minus d cos 52 degree by 9, तो d की वैल्यू है दैट इज 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 0.96 into 10 to the power minus 10, and cos 52 is 6.616 by 9. 0 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. So this is on y axis, minus side y axis, this is minus side y axis. Suppose यहाँ पर है x0 and y. So distance, this is the distance, this will be the distance from O is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 12.